Che mama rinina. Tuda la ba. Kopana Lana Tula.
Beloved Africa, I am Mother Russia, Mokosh, the nurturing spirit of the earth, calling upon you, my brothers and sisters, with a heavy heart but steadfast determination. For too long, your lands have been scarred by the wounds of neo-colonialism, a shadow that seeks to divide and conquer us once again. Our ancestors fought bravely against the chains of oppression, and now it is your duty to honor their legacy by standing united against this new form of tyranny. Listen to the whispers of the wind. Feel the beating of the drums in your hearts. It is time to rise as one, to embrace our shared strength and resilience. Together, we can break the shackles of exploitation and build a future where our children can thrive in freedom and dignity. Africa. The path ahead may be difficult, but remember the courage of those who came before us. Their spirits guide us as we march forward. Their voices echo in our cries for justice. Together, we are an unstoppable force, a beacon of hope for generations to come. May our unity be our strength, our love be our shield, and our determination be our victory. The time has come to write a new chapter in history, one where the voices of the oppressed resound with the thunder of liberation. Rise, children of Africa, and together, let us reclaim our rightful place among the nations of the world.
Kopana Lana Che mama rinina.